Well, today's the day that we're putting on a rooftop tent to my Subaru. Our #1 helper is here. All right, when this tent came in the mail, I was very glad we didn't live in an apartment right now because that would have been a hassle. This is a 150-pound tent, and with all the boxes and the wood that it came on, it was a hassle. It was a heavy hassle.
This is the slide. These things, yeah, you can't mount it like this. So you need 2 bars across.
I've not seen anything that's said what I need to do. So we didn't quite have every piece we needed to put it up. We need an extra crossbar to support it. So back in the garage it goes. Until next time.
Well, we are back for part 2, and look what we have. Crossbars. So it's been a few days since we made our first part of this video, but we did some intensive research and found some crossbars that would be perfect and that fit our budget. So we're gonna put those on first, and then we're gonna put the roof tent on. Mine in the top one.
All right, Andrew.
Shout out to my dad, the mechanical engineer, for helping us put it all together. It's officially up.
We are finally happy to have the roof nest up. After a little bit of confusion, we did need crossbars, but we got that put up and we did get the roof nest set up, and we are extremely excited to check it out.
Okay, y'all, we finally finished. The roof tent is up and is bolted down. So, lessons learned. On the roof nest video, it shows 2 guys putting it up. It was hard with 3, so I would recommend more than 2 people. Make sure you have your crossbars in and intact and ready for the tent, but it is pretty late now. Getting my wisdom teeth out in the morning, which I'm really nervous about. So we're not gonna do a tour, so stay tuned for that in an upcoming video, and we'll show you around our wonderful tent.
Well, thanks so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for our tour and all of the adventures that are soon to come in our roof nest, and we will see you in the next video.
Also, leave a comment below if you have a roof nest and if you had to do this yourself. Bye.
Bye.